Hi, Vieira with the Stock Market Live.tv. We are approaching the end of 2016, and as we are approaching the end of the year, I believe that it is rather important to go back to confirm my own calls included in the basic trading course, which is going to give place to a completely new course going into 2017. So we had the basic trading course, we had the advanced trading course, we had the tape reading, we had emotional analysis course, and going in 2017, as I will explain on a separate video, we are going to integrate everything and we are going to offer a ton of new features, and the new course is going to be available on a world-class e-learning platform, including SMS live trading, live streaming trading, absolutely everything, including live earnings call. You have everything if you wish to in the new course 2017. The presentation, it is rather important since we always refer to the facts, and the facts are here, can be seen live on the tape. GoPro, the company or the stock that I used since IPO to teach the methodology, including other stock picks as Sears Holdings, Abercrombie, El Pollo Loco, AutoZone, Herbalife, just to name a few. You have all of them in the course itself. GoPro, a strong sell, the only call in the world downgrading GoPro to strong sell at $95. That live streaming session recorded and streamed worldwide to attendees on that same day, and then predicting that GoPro shares would collapse down to single digits. So by the end of the year, obviously GoPro at single digits, no surprise whatsoever, and this was achieved while I believe close to 100 stock analysts, they upgraded GoPro, imagine, to more than $120, while even during the course of 2015 you had also Jim Cramer saying that GoPro constituted a lifetime investment opportunity at $65, where we defined GoPro and this call on CNBC as a complete scam. The scam is proven live on the tape with GoPro seen as single digits. So this is the only course in the history of the markets where every former attendee became a millionaire following my own personal guidance, okay? So other stock picks which I consider also relevant to refer to, obviously the case of Sears Holdings, strong sell since $156, also discussed in detail on several case studies and trading lessons using the case of Sears Holdings to teach you how to become a millionaire investing in the markets. Also, Sears Holdings worth single digits. I always said it, you have it here live on the tape ahead of the end of the year 2016. And this is remarkably important because just a couple of years ago, when shares they were trading around $56, Wall Street analysts, they were saying, and there were reports on the web, you can Google it, saying that Sears Holdings, the real estate and all those assets, they were worth more than $150. I already had a short position in Sears Holdings, and I gave you my input saying that, my friend, Sears Holdings, I can give you here precisely the same reasons. Sears Holdings is going to be a single-digit stock, while it is preferable as an investor to invest or to buy shares of a company as Apple. Well, Apple continued moving higher, Sears Holdings collapsed, meltdown, and this is the story, the real one about Sears Holdings. You'll find all the calls recorded live, streamed, the case studies, the articles, the recommendations on the website at stockmarketlive.tv, obviously on first hand to subscribers. Other company which I downgraded here to strong sell, believing that one day eventually would become almost single digits, the case of Abercrombie at $77. Wall Street had strong buy ratings, more than $90 in Abercrombie, and I've been a long-term bear in Abercrombie. So here you have new all-time lows in Abercrombie in 2016, just 1 week ahead of the end of the year 2016, almost single digits, $13. And if you have been a subscriber, I already told you this last year and the year before, Abercrombie, it is worth $13, okay? So here you have the confirmation of it, and you are our best reviews and testimonials and witness with regards to my long-term predictions in the markets. Other stock that we discussed also in the trading course, the case of El Pollo Loco. Many, they predicted that El Pollo Loco will become the next Chipotle, and I said also that El Pollo Loco was a stock at $38, down to single digits. And the fact is that in 2015 you saw El Pollo Loco touching and trading at single digits, and today, 1 year later, basically, El Pollo Loco is still close to single digits. So this stock is not, or this company, the next Chipotle, okay? So far it has not been. So congratulations also for those that they believed in my prediction with regards to investing in speculative stocks. Very important subject included in the trading course. And I'm also going to refer here to one of the most important calls in the history of the markets, the case of AutoZone, which I explained a few years ago. I included a trading lesson, how to turn a loss into a very large profit. I had a short position several years ago in AutoZone, and I decided to close the short position, reverse into the long side, and I explained the methodology, why I did it, and that was done around $360. And my personal price target already revealed a long time ago in AutoZone, $800. You have AutoZone also at $800, and just a couple of weeks ago you had the opportunity to buy shares of this company ahead of a move close to $100 per share in profits, okay? So very important also the case of AutoZone. You have advanced trading lessons, very important in the trading course, and the case of Herbalife, also a company that I included in the basic trading course, stock picks, where you didn't have any risk whatsoever, since I proved I never missed one single call in Herbalife. For the first time I downgraded Herbalife in 2016 to strong sell. It was a complimentary live market call, since on that same day I published the video on the web at $72. On that same day, as you know, shares they closed at $68, and today, by the end of the year, that is a couple of months later, or 3 months later, you have Herbalife at $48.60. And this while Mr. Carl Icahn said Herbalife remained a very good buy and so on, it didn't matter. Herbalife, it was a buy when I told that was a buy. That was around $37 when Bill Ackman went short the stock. And then when Herbalife zoomed to $72, it was time to sell, to go short the stock. And by doing so, that is to say, to follow my personal guidance, live and complementary, bear in mind, today you are a millionaire just by using one stock pick. And bear in mind that Herbalife, it has been very important because you have lessons complementary in the trading course with regards to algorithm trading, which is a very important subject included in the advanced trading course. And so going in 2017, we are integrating all these courses into one, just one, with tons of new features and a modular system, okay? So I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, going in 2017, and I will be seeing you here in the markets next year. Thank you.